We have a new group called the Field Institute. We work with teams and companies around the world and help them develop the mindset, skill set, and tool set for innovation tools, processes, and ultimately transformation.
Less a sense of skills, but more about that person's performance.
I now have tools that will equip me to have the right level of conversations.
You sit down and you talk.
If you look back about a decade ago, digital was synonymous with IT. It's what the CIO did to manage web assets, e-commerce, other basic data systems. Now, in the last few years, digital encompasses all the types of online and digital assets that a business might need to better achieve its goals. And the transformation part addresses how does an organization come together to become better functional and excellent and high performing in a digital world.
Technology, or not referred to as digital, is actually so much more than just a marketing channel or touch point. It's in every part of our lives, and it really has the ability to make businesses more efficient, but also to create entirely new industries.
So I think the biggest challenge I face in digital transformation is around changing the organization in terms of ways of working.
Really exciting as well is to see that it's a field that is developing, that is advancing, that is quite new, and it's ever evolving and changing.
So digital transformation is important for a number of reasons. One, companies can't ignore that there's a whole set of emerging technologies that are shaping how decisions are made, purchases are done, and the way consumers exchange information and how societies operate. This includes everything from advances in artificial intelligence to human machine learning. And then you have some basic understanding around different digital channels and how social media, chatbots, all contribute to helping us understand how we work, live, and play together.